Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a third quarter designs design team layout. This is one of the new June kits called Maritime Tides. I do have an unboxing on my channel. We are going to be doing pictures of Maggie in the bath. So I just need to grab all of this stuff. We've got two of those. I love this collection. I think it's just so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just kind of flipping through. I think we're going to go with those two papers for now. We're going to use this as our background. Oh, I love the rocks too, though. You guys can't see what I'm looking at. That's pretty. What if things are happening in my head here? What if on the side of this one? Oh, I like them all. Let's go with this one. I seriously am in love with every collection that I get from this company. Okay. So I kind of changed it up there. And I'm thinking, I don't like that. No, I don't like that. So, I don't like that together. Wasn't there like a full blue one, or more blue than not? Okay, what if we go with this guy? We'll put this guy back. I do love the embellishments though. Okay. Not that much of a contrast. So, ooh, I like that. So we can salvage some of the lighthouse to like border that. We can use this side. I'm going to fussy cut out this box here. I'm going to map my photos on that. I know, that took a minute to get there, right? Alright, so let me go ahead and do that, construct this all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this down to probably 11 3/4 by 11 3/4. I'm going to gut the inside of this so that it is up like that. I will scuff the edges of this. I'm going to fussy cut this guy out. Go through all of these fun embellishments, fussy cut out what I need, assemble just that portion, and then we'll come back and work on the layout together. Alright, so I've got this done. As you can see, we're not very scuffed, we're scuffed. And I always seal the back with some washi tape. Got my pictures that cut down, and we're going to matte with some of this blue because I really liked the blue. I just want to bring the blue in. So, let's see. We're going to do that. And I'm thinking we just that and grab our big scissors. And we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna cut that little white piece off. And this is the water. It does really look like water. That's going to be scrap. This is going to get saved. Do we want to go that way or do we want to go that way? I actually want to come down here. Because I want these colors. I'm just going to line that up. just going to come in, cut a little bit more off. Nope, we're not going to cut a little bit more off. We're going to actually just cut it out. I don't know what I'm saying sometimes. And then we're just going to that, and then let's okay, we need to put her, just gonna go right here. We're gonna cover the fish up because it doesn't really go. So I'm gonna fussy cut this out. Actually thinking we're gonna fussy cut, oh wait for it. We're gonna fussy cut those guys out, just the, you'll see. I'm just gonna cut the frame and then the insides I'll cut out as well. Alright, so I have so much fussy cutting to do, so I just wanted to come and kind of show you this little part of the process. So we're gonna get that there, and we are going to build this up. Alright, give me a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, so I was trying to zoom in a little bit and bring it down. Oop, too much. Alright. So this is kind of my idea. So we're gonna leave that there. Let's take this guy and we're gonna adhere him down. I'm gonna kind of show you what I want to do. Boy, that was so hard. I do not know. Alright. And we need this paper that I cut everything else out of, so we're just going to use this to mat all of these little guys, right? So we're going to back them. Just like you would if you were doing a cut file or something fun like that. And then I'm not going to scuff the inside, but I am going to go ahead and take my scissors and scuff the outside of these. And then as I've got them sitting there, I am going to put sequins in there and put the little shells on the bottom. So that was kind of my plan. So I just need to start scuffing everything up, and I'm going to do that off screen, otherwise it's going to be a mess. If you've ever roughed the edges of anything up, and I just use my scissors, you guys, because they're handy. We don't need fancy tools for that. Even though we probably all have them. I know I do, and I still grab these. So we've got that. And then I was thinking if I should scuff the inside of these frames up. What do you guys think? I wish you were here live so you could tell me what you think of that idea. This is such a beautiful collection that I am just in awe. But I feel like the wood needs to be the edges of the paper because the wood's a little scuffy, right? Okay, so I'll just kind of clean that up. I'm going to go ahead and get that stuck right there. Okay. Let's see, get that where we want that. So we're going to come in. We're going to tuck this guy right here. Okay. And then we're just going to take some of these fussy cut little shells, and we are just going to see if we can get them tucked. Kind of in this little vicinity. One's not going to work. Let's see if we can get this one. So kind of like that. All right, and then we're going to take my little sequin mix, and I also have these cute little sea creatures. So I'm like, you know, we'll put the little fishies in here swimming and whatever else cute little items we can find. And then we're just going to have like little individual faux shaker pockets and little scenes. So give me a minute to go ahead and kind of get that put together, and then I'll take and scatter the sequins kind of like this. Well, first we should probably just, let's adhere these shells down, right? Look at that guy stuck right there. So we get him stuck on there, and then what I usually do is just get this cute little spoon. We're just going to grab some of these guys, and we are just going to just scatter them around. And then put a little fishy in there. How I make sure that I get those to stick, because I just kind of move them. I like to go a little bit on the organic side. So I take my picker and we just come in and we just add a glob of glue. That was not enough glue. And a little bit more. I just kind of keep going. Kind of right where it's landing now. The ones that are on top of each other. Just wrong way. Oops. I just get them stuck on there. And I just keep going. Now this little sequin picker here is just from Amazon. It's a little cheapy one, but it works really, really well. And you just kind of keep going. Keep adding them. I can get it to stay. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and just get those spread out. Get this little guy stuck on there. And that is how we're going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and create those like that, and we'll be right back. All right, we've got that all taken care of. I now think that I need to try to match that color, or is it more of a teal? Ooh, so many decisions at this point. Is that more of a green? That's a green. I'm looking for a teal color. What about... Oop, there we go. And we're just going to run some sketchy lines. I like sketchy lines. It is subtle, but just enough. And with it being this light teal color, and then I am going to come in with that blue. Let's go with that one. I don't want the lines to be the same, so I just kind of just ever so slightly run down. All right, last thing that I want to do is, if you can see, I did fussy cut out this guy. I popped in a little fish here, a little fish here. He's pink, so he kind of blends in a little bit. I did do my title, which is just Mags. A little cluster up here, lots of fun things. Got some foamy hearts, a little starfish, and now we're going to come in and add some of these pearls. And I think that's going to do it for this layout. So it was like super fun to make this. I am always enjoying playing with these collections. So I do hope that you guys are enjoying watching. Have you checked out... Uh-oh. Third quarter design, sorry. Thought I really messed that up for a minute. I sure hope that you have. If not, please do go to their Facebook group. I will have everything linked down below. And this is always the hardest part, you guys, is getting these out. I like them in the container that they're in, but sometimes it's really hard to find just exactly what I'm looking for. And when the glue dries on that one, it'll be fine. I actually think those two are the same size. All right, that's gonna do it for today's layout. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to ask. Do all the fun YouTubey things, and I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.